You use your car every day, but haven't you noticed something recently? Even though you change your oil regularly, the power is dropping. You've noticed the engine is noisy and the car has started shaking. This is one of the signs that your engine is getting old. As time passes and your mileage increases, impurities build up in the engine. In order to prevent these symptoms of aging, you need to make sure that you keep your engine clean. But how do you do that? One way is to clean the inside of the engine to remove the buildup of sludge. Just as humans suffer from poor circulation from the buildup of cholesterol in their arteries, the buildup of engine sludge hampers the lubricating effect of oil and causes all sorts of problems. So what type of customers can benefit? People who drive a lot, drivers who change oil frequently, anyone who takes a lot of short trips, people who don't drive their car for long periods. Drivers who change their oil frequently go to all the effort of putting in new oil, so it is important to make sure that new oil is going to be fully effective. And to do that, you have to remove the impurities that aren't removed by the change of oil. Drivers who frequently drive short distances don't give the engine a chance to warm up, making it easy for the engine sludge to settle. For that reason, anybody making frequent short trips should periodically clean the inside of the engine. People who don't normally use their car or use it occasionally for seasonal trips and so on. Just because you don't use your car, it doesn't mean that the engine oil will stay in good condition. If you don't change your oil for a long time, then oxidization will occur, which also makes it easy for sludge to settle. If a car were a person, it would be like not taking a bath for a long time. As ever, cleaning the engine is essential. But cleaning the inside of your engine is not something that you hear often. Normally, when people talk about cleaning the car, they are talking about cleaning the outside of the car. But as you might have noticed, cleaning the inside of the engine is also important. So let's explain how you can clean the inside of your engine by using SludgeNizer. A car's engine is like the human heart. It is always working tirelessly. And while it works, carbon and soot from burning old oil gradually build up, like blocked arteries in humans. If blood can't circulate, the body has to work harder and becomes sick. For the conventional engine flushing system, most of the engine flushing is to be operated under the engine running condition. Accordingly, the same level of lubricating capability is required as the engine oil for flushing fluid. However, most of the flushing fluids with strong detergent capability should not be used because most of them don't have enough lubricating function. In our SludgeNizer system, the operation is to be done under the engine stopping condition, so that it does not require such a high lubricating function, and flushing fluid with stronger detergent capability can be used safely. Moreover, thanks to the base of the flushing fluid component being close to engine lubricating oils, it ensures more engine protection while SludgeNizer service is being provided. In addition to cleaning the main oil lines, the detergent, pressure cleaning, and wave effect is capable of getting rid of sludge even from the narrow oil lines that are difficult to clean with current methods. SludgeNizer is also capable of getting rid of the sludge from places where metal parts rub together, such as the cranks or camshaft journals, and even from the smallest grooves and furrows. At the same time, it preserves the oil membrane. So it is capable of cleaning every part of your engine, from the narrow oil lines and fine grooves on metal surfaces to every inch of the oil pan. If this was a treatment for humans, it would be like removing the cholesterol from your veins and arteries. Like a fresh infusion of blood, new engine oil is able to reach every nook and cranny of your engine. Look at this. Even an engine this dirty, suffering from serious power loss, comes out sparklingly clean. If an engine is clean on the inside, the engine oil is able to reach its full effectiveness, preserving the engine and prolonging its life. Why not submit your car for a clean now? You might be surprised by the results. For the safety and security for all of your family. To keep your car running with happy smiles, cleaning the engine delivers great results.